Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Nate with Wichita Homeworks. Today we are out on one of our exterior projects. So in addition to the custom home builds and remodel projects that we do, we also do all exterior projects. So siding, windows, doors, roof, gutters. Let me swing. All right. So you can see, got everything masked off, and we got most of the body painted yesterday. Got in before the rain, which is always good. Gonna be working on the trim next, getting that all painted. You can see they got some of it done here up front. And still got a little bit on the back we're doing. Guys are getting the caulking done. We'll take you around back here where we can see the window we did. So one thing to remember, I know it's crazy to think about now, but winter is coming, and winter can be one of the hardest seasons on the exterior of your home, and it can also make a huge difference in terms of your home's efficiency to make sure that everything is sealed and finished nicely to weather all the extremes that come with the winter season. So you can see we replaced a window up there, another one on the side. They got all the body painted here. Daniel's getting the paint ready to go in the sprayer. We're going to be spraying the exterior here on this last side. So when they spray it, they put it on, and then they also roll it with a roller. We call that back rolling, and that just helps get it in all of these all of the different textures and whatnot, and it really presses that paint in and makes sure that it adheres well. We're using Behr Premium Plus Ultra on the exterior of this one again. It's a really high quality paint for a great price. One of the best warranties out there. So that will wrap things up for this Friday on this exterior project. So if you or anyone you know is looking to get some siding work done, maybe some new gutters, a new roof, new windows or doors, anything in between, those are all things we can handle, and we would be happy to come out, take a look at things for you. We'll give you an estimate on what it's going to take to do that, and then we'll get you on the schedule and get things taken care of in a timely manner. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you next week.